Ever wonder how some cryptocurrencies manage to keep you totally off the radar? Ring signatures are one of the coolest privacy tools in crypto, and today we're going to break down how they work, why they matter, and which coins actually use them. Let's get into it. Before we dive too deep, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you're into crypto privacy tools and tech that flies under the radar, you're in the right place. So, digital signatures. They're the foundation of how crypto transactions get verified. Without them, blockchains wouldn't be able to function. This tech goes all the way back to 1976, when RSA public key cryptography changed the game. It gave us a way to protect digital info securely. And believe it or not, RSA still holds up today. Since then, cryptographers have built all kinds of digital signature systems. Lamport signatures, elliptic curve methods, Schnorr signatures, and now ring signatures. The focus of today's video. Ring signatures take the idea of group signatures and add a twist. Normally, when someone signs something, you can clearly tell who did it. But with group signatures, you only know someone within a set group signed it, just not who exactly. Ring signatures push this further. Instead of needing multiple people to sign a document, one person signs, but their signature is mixed with others from the group. The result? It's mathematically impossible to know who actually signed. Think of it like tossing a single coin into a pile of identical ones. You know one of them is real, but you can't tell which. This unlocks three powerful features. First, anonymity and privacy. With ring signatures, no one can see who sent what to whom. All the details are hidden: sender, receiver, amount, even the transaction history. Second, better security. Because ring signatures rely on data mixing, they make the entire network more resilient to surveillance and tracking. And third, untraceability. When coins are indistinguishable from one another, you get true financial privacy. That's what we mean by fungibility. Every coin is equal in value and in reputation. Now, there's a trade-off. These transactions are heavier, more data, more processing. That means higher fees and larger transaction sizes compared to regular crypto transfers. But there's good news. In 2018, the Monero dev team integrated something called bullet proofs, a major breakthrough that cut private transaction sizes and reduced fees by about 80%, all while keeping privacy intact. So where is this tech actually being used? The most famous case is Monero. It's built from the ground up to be a privacy coin, and ring signatures are at the heart of its system. Monero doesn't just hide your balance, it hides where it came from and where it's going. This all runs on something called the crypto note protocol, which swaps out real wallet addresses for one-time stealth addresses. That makes blockchain snooping way harder. Crypto note powers Monero, Bytecoin, and forks like Darknote, all of them with privacy as the top priority. If you care about financial privacy and want your transactions off the grid, ring signatures are one of the strongest tools available. What do you think? Are privacy coins the future or a risky bet? Drop your take in the comments, and if this helped you understand ring signatures better, give it a like. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of the tech shaping crypto's future. Catch you in the next one.